Greetings, culinary adventurers. Today, we embark on a quest to redefine the art of sandwich creation. With a concoction so daring, so audacious, it defies the very laws of culinary convention. Brace yourselves for the outrageously unique peanut butter, pancake, barbecue rib, strawberry jam, and butter extravaganza sandwich. Step 1. Toast the bread. Begin this epic odyssey by subjecting two innocent slices of bread to the scorching embrace of a toaster, transforming them into golden, crunchy sanctuaries for the impending flavor explosion. Step 2. Heat up the barbecue ribs. As the bread undergoes its metamorphosis, awaken the flavors of your barbecue ribs. Whether freshly prepared or rescued from a previous feast, with a gentle rekindling of warmth. Step 3. Prepare the sandwich. With toasted bread at the ready, embark on the construction of this masterpiece. Spread a generous swath of luscious peanut butter upon one awaiting slice. Crown this with a tender, golden pancake, its fluffy countenance eager to embrace the savory delight to come. Gently lay upon this foundation the warm, succulent barbecue ribs, their aroma tantalizing the senses. On the opposing slice, bestow a bountiful layer of strawberry jam, its sweetness a harmonious prelude to the symphony of flavors to follow. Step 4. Grill the sandwich. For those daring enough to seek the pinnacle of indulgence, anoint the outer surfaces of this creation with a whisper of butter, a prelude to the culinary alchemy to come. In a pan warmed to anticipation, place this creation, applying a gentle pressure to encourage the mingling of flavors. Allow the sandwich to luxuriate in this heated embrace, transforming its exterior into a crispy, golden armor of deliciousness. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Retrieve the sandwich from its fiery baptism, its exterior now a testament to the culinary journey within. With a steady hand, cleave this creation in twain, revealing a cross-section of pure, unadulterated delight. The outrageously unique peanut butter, pancake, barbecue rib, strawberry jam, and butter extravaganza sandwich is now complete, a testament to the daring spirit of culinary exploration. Revel in its splendor, savor its complexity, and remember, in the realm of culinary artistry, there are no limits, only possibilities. I hope this adventure into the realm of the bizarre has ignited your culinary curiosity. If you relished this experience, be sure to bestow upon this video the coveted thumbs up and join us on our quest for culinary enlightenment by subscribing to our channel. Until next time, may your meals be as bold and daring as your spirit.